In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use a journal in Notion. If you want a simple digital journaling system that's easy to maintain and helpful to revisit over time, Notion is a great option. You can build something clean and flexible in just a few minutes, and once it's set up, your daily writing becomes much more organized. To begin, create a new page in Notion for your journal. Give it a clear title so it's easy to find later, especially if you use Notion for multiple projects or areas of your life. This page will act as the home for your journaling system, so think of it as your main journal hub. Next, add a journal database to that page. A database is useful here because it lets you store each journal entry as its own item, which makes it much easier to sort, search, and review later. Instead of keeping all your writing on one long page, you'll have a structured system where every entry is neatly separated. Once the database is in place, add a date property for each entry. This is one of the most important parts of the setup because it allows you to keep track of when each journal entry was written. It also makes it possible to organize your journal by day, view entries in date order, and switch to calendar view if you want a more visual layout. After that, create a daily journal template. This will save time and make your journaling routine more consistent. Rather than starting from a blank page every day, you'll open a ready-made format that already includes the sections you want to fill out. That reduces friction and makes it easier to stick with the habit. Inside that template, add prompts such as mood, gratitude, highlights, and lessons learned. These prompts give your writing direction and help you reflect in a more meaningful way. Mood helps you track how you're feeling. Gratitude encourages a positive perspective. Highlights capture the most important moments of the day. And lessons learned help turn everyday experiences into insight. Once your setup is ready, write a new entry each day. Keep it simple and realistic. The goal is consistency, not perfection. Even a short entry is valuable if it helps you capture your thoughts and build a record of your days. To keep everything organized, use filters or a calendar view. Filters can help you narrow down entries, while calendar view gives you a quick snapshot of your journaling activity over time. This is especially helpful if you want to stay consistent or spot gaps in your routine. Finally, review old entries to reflect on your progress. Looking back helps you notice patterns, celebrate growth, and better understand your experiences over time. That reflection is where journaling often becomes most valuable, and that's how to create a simple, effective journal in Notion.